Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer photos from your Mac to your iPhone. To do it, just open the photo you want to transfer, either in the Photos application or just from any file. So I can open, for example, that photo. And then to transfer it, click on the Share button. Then click on AirDrop. And you should see your iPhone here. If you don't, swipe from the right top part of your screen on your iPhone, then go to the network panel, click here, and in AirDrop, click on that and set it to either contacts only or everyone for 10 minutes. I'm gonna set it to everyone, and you can see that I can find my iPhone. I can click on it. Then on the iPhone, click on accept. And now the photo has been airdropped. I can do the same within the Photos app. So when I go into the Photos app, I can just select a photo I want to transfer, click on the Share button, airdrop, and basically do the same like that. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.